Whisper me your name as I feel you, need you, love you. Look into my eyes as you love me, need me, feel me. Flow with me as my love explodes. Allow me to break the skin, allow me to scream and squirm, as I down on your love as it goes in and through, over my love deep and hard as I squeeze my hands against the flow, force my lips to yours and close my eyes, as I thank you for sating my flesh, grace me with your fluids sweetly, softly and firmly again and again, as I yes my tender, kind, lover, whisper me your name as I
do not know you well, but what I know enchants me, like a song sung far away. I cannot hear the words, but what they say hangs softly on the hills where I must go. I see you furtively and note your eyes, hazel and dreamy, your spirit half elsewhere. I note the sheen of your dark, lustrous hair and wish I knew your thoughts and shared your cries. This love brings me sweet pain, but I want more, driven by a dream I can't control. I want the truth of you, untamed and whole. In frantic hope I haunt your open heart.
As the dew awakens the dawn, your heart has beckoned my love. I will quench your thirst with wisdom and nourish your heart with the kindness of my gentle spirit.
I don't know why my feelings are so strong. It's as if some giant crane jerked me aloft and swings me through the softness of the night. I don't blame you if you're scared, for so am I. It's as if I'm deep beneath the sea, though life is vivid, I can hardly breathe. Free me from my anguish. Come with me. The two of us can wing across our skies, gliding where we will enjoy and love.
T.